This is New Female Group Artist of the Year. Let's see who the nominees are.
New Female Group Artist of the Year. Fina Parandang, Universal Records Philippines. Phoenix, Hand in Hand, GKD Records. Pixie, Iced Coffee, Viva Records. Raya, Blink, Viva Records. Sugar and Spice, Sugar, Sugar, Vital Music. Ving, Ado, Flip Music Records. Zyra, Punong Punong, Independent. Handing over the award, we have 17 EMBC Star Awards for Music Exicon, EMBC PRO, Evelyn Jiao.
And the star goes to Pixie, Iced Coffee, Viva Records.
Want to review the delegates? Dixie! Hi po, everyone. It was such an honor to receive this award po. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for always guiding us throughout our journey. Maraming salamat po. To our management, Green Cloud, especially Team Pixie, maraming salamat po. Thank you for always supporting us and believing ever since day one. Also, thank you for helping us to grow not just as a performer but also as a group with a shared passion. Maraming salamat po. To our composer, Sir Daniel, thank you po for thank you so much po. To your families and friends, maraming salamat. To Viva Records, thank you for giving us the platform para po sa aming new single, Your Truly. Eternally grateful po for maraming salamat po. And to our fans, Twines, sa mga nanonood sa live right now, maraming salamat po. This award is also for you and you have anything to say. Daghang salamat sa tanang mitabang and nag-support sa amo. Pagawat lang mo kay daghang pamangkin pangandam para sa inyo. In English, thank you so much for those who help us and support us and continue to wait because we have a lot of story for you guys. Thank you.
Lastly po, we want to grab this opportunity to kindly stream our newest pre-release track titled Float and in all digital platforms, and also make sure to follow us at Pixel Official. Thank you.
And again, para po to sa lahat ng P-pop groups na patuloy na nangangarap at patuloy na para iangat ang musikang Pilipino. Once again, maraming salamat
Doon tayo
PMPC.
dito.